Hey guys, welcome to Foodpix Kitchen channel. Today we want to cook a delicious Italian meal together. The name of this food is calzone. Calzone is a kind of folded or wrapped pizza, which has a crescent-like shape and is made from salted bread dough. And the inside is filled with the same pizza ingredients. This is how we cook this simple and delicious food. First, finely chop 4 medium mushrooms. Then chop a bell pepper completely. Now chop 4 slices of ham to the desired size. Chop 4 sausages and fry. Now knead the bread dough well and separate 200 grams of it. Spread on a pizza tin or pan. Then spread 2 tablespoons of salsa on half of the dough. A slice of cheese sheet. Chopped ham. Chopped peppers and chopped mushrooms. Fried sausages. 4 pieces of pickled jalapeno pepper, for more spiciness. 50 grams of mozzarella cheese. Now turn the other half of the bread dough upside down. Rub the beaten egg on the dough and decorate with sesame. Place in the middle of the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the golden and roasted calzone is ready. Bon appetit! Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss the next videos. I'll see you soon in the next video.